got you back down to 76. And that's exactly...
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a tornado warning for Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan until 8 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Brooklyn, Oregon, 8 miles west of Manchester, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Manchester around 7:30 p.m., Chelsea around 7:40 p.m., Dexter around 7:45 p.m., Ann Arbor around 7:50 p.m., Vicksboro around 7:55 p.m., Salem and Whitmore Lake around 8 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hudson Mills, Linden Township, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Bridgewater, Gully Mills, Pleasant Lake, and Barton Hills. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: Washtenaw, Michigan.